How to get a car dealer's license in California. To profitably buy or sell vehicles in California, you must have a dealer license. Look for DMV-approved training programs for earning this license. This guide provides an easy, step-by-step explanation of this process. First, you should take a state-specific DMV-approved dealer pre-license training class. This DMV-approved course can be taken online and at your own pace. Afterward, you will receive a DMV certificate of completion. Choose the type of dealer license you would like, retail or wholesale. Retail dealers can sell to the public, while wholesale dealers can only sell to other dealers. Both types allow access to dealer-only auctions. The next step is naming your dealership. You can apply for a license as a corporation, LLC, partnership, or sole proprietorship. If you opt for a fictitious name, be sure you file your fictitious name statement with your county recorder's office. Set up a free California MyDMV account to apply for your dealer license. Next, get a live scan to conduct a criminal background check on all active license participants. Most affordable places for LiveScan should be your local police station. Then, you should take the DMV dealer's license test at your local occupational licensing office. Then, open a bank account in the name of your dealership and secure a physical office location for your dealership. The DMV will inspect to verify your office is in compliance.